no. So what me if you do about it? Me just want to know what me if you do about it. Cause me they are stressed out about them buggy and you want to come tell me about it. You're lucky. When me I go underneath the pressure, you turn up underneath it too. So the bugger sing to the boat away. Right now, them are sing Celine and Tony Braxton. Sing Celine and Tony Braxton. Kelly style. Right now, me one of them a sing, I take you to the candy shop. I lick you like a lollipop. It sound good though, me nah lie, but take that lick there right now. Leave the bug them alone. Oh, cause me they a struggle with them. Right and face stay up in my comment section. Me see that one here. Hold on, me see that comment here. Oh yeah, the official match I must have the 25. I may have one the last of the month. Me have 2 match. One of the last of the month and one of the last of the month, yeah. And I think the next one at the 26. Yeah, where you ask me, me buy a comforter? No, me teeth it. My teeth are comforter. Me not buy a comforter, me just teeth it. Hey baby, love you too. You like it? I like it too, it warm. It warm. If you have one up in your yard, I come teeth it. Let's see how this play match. I play up match with Akiwa. I now go play with that Tiffin man named Damien. Rather play with Akiwa. When I play Damien, Damien too thief. Anytime I go over them up to something. Hey, Akiwa, me train on a bug on your side because me and you can a bug out together, you know, me I tell you the truth. Cause I bug them they am. No, me not like bug them they are mad me for train, you know. God keep me man. They can't turn down the music so my time. And it's like them a try to talk louder than me.
And they are ready, you know.
No, me not like come like a competition and me can't manage it.
I know, guys.
Zoe.
Good night, good night, good night.
Him sleep on my lip. Right on my lip, Aki walk sleep. See him bed there. With Chanel you see I wanna.
Come guys, go out of the screen, guys.
We're gonna sum on the chip in a chat.
Use the chip, guys. I'm going to use the chip, guys.
You know, sir, get a Chanel bad man. You know that me in that house in the soccer cup.
Place boring.
And that me I say. No, you're not no good ways. You're not no good way. I'm gonna tell you some I walk hungry kill around there tonight. You're going like you're a hot girl and I want cook. I want hungry kill around there, your mom already. So people like could have eat food. I want hungry kill around there, you're going like you're a hot girl and I want cook.
Share the live, guys. Go out of the screen.
What you mean? You're no wife, but you want a man. You go and get you love man more than me. Me not like to you. You're baptized and tangled up in a no, me love man more than you, sorry. But you forgot cook. Me still can't cook though. At least me love man, but me can't cook. You love man and can't cook.
Yeah, nature park, yeah. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, guys.
I do give man a running belly. I feel man fi have a whole heap of pepto be smiling at him house. Yeah.
I want those guys.
Then sleep with the cops. Sleep with the cops then. Queen, thank you, baby. Guys, everybody, we're gonna rose in the chat.
Okay, guys. 10 rules, guys.
Chat,
10
help me
rules,
catch his
guys.
speed. Thank you,
One rose,
baby.
guys.
One more that. One more that, team. Thank you, baby. One more that. Come on, guys. Catch his speed. One rose. Thank you, baby.
Need
I'm
8 more,
gonna go
guys.
sleep with the cards.
Finger art, guys. Finger art, finger art, finger art, finger art, finger art. Go catch your speed, guys. Finger art, finger art.
Where's the maid?
Nice try, sweetheart. Oh,
That is you.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, thanks you.
But we're gonna sump on the triple. Use the triple chat.
Job sitting upon it big.
Hey, that you are. Me I tell you the truth, you know, me not stay up here in December, you know. You're not cool.
September now catch me still, so it never make no sense.
No, me not stay up here for December. I would have wickedness. I tell you the truth.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you so much.
Good night. Hi, good night, baby. Chat. We're gonna sump on the triple chat.
But it's okay, so thank you. I appreciate it. Come, guys, go top of the screen, guys. Go pull up the screen, guys. And share the live, guys.
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much, guys. Everybody.